So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can remove photos from the Photos app in iPhone. To remove the objects from the photos, we will use Apple AI. So for this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, make sure you have enabled Apple Intelligence. After this, go back to home screen. Now open the Photos app. Select a photo from which you want to remove the object. After this, tap on this option and then tap on Clean Up. Now circle the object that you want to remove. And this will remove the object. As you can see here, this has removed the object from the image. After this, tap on Done. And this will save the image. So this is how you can remove objects from the photos in the Photos app in iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.